Hey, what's up guys? Chris May, 509 Firecracker build. Something we've been putting together for a few years. Quest for 700 horsepower, modified big wheel, stage 3. So we're gonna do something a little different.
And you know, we're just caretakers of these cars anyway, you know, when we're gone, someone else is gonna have it, you know?
No, you're taking a big fucking hole and burying me with it. What we have is AIT Racing K1 wide body. This is the only one that they've ever made full carbon fiber. You might have seen a few other builds. They have front bumper, back bumper, but fenders and side skirts are still fiberglass. Working on the wheel setup to get our offset out flush with the fenders. You know, wheel guy, let me know. Just to keep the flow of the body kit going, we threw the 08 STI WRX wing on it. Parachute for those nights in Mexico. The Whitfield 10-point cage, custom vent for full interior. Little bit of custom fab work on the manifolds, intake and charge pipes, STL fabrication, small town locals, Joey Sabaco, quite a bit of Daryl's parts, DCR Racing, MPX, CNC ported head, oversized valves, Brian Crowder springs, retainers, Crowder 3 cams. This is one of 4 big wheel stage 3s. 69-pound float, built by Bob Screeber, Ravenworks. Quite a bit of other people's works. We have Brent Sharp's tubular A-arms, KW billet input shafts, straight cut first and second. Last time on the dyno, 21 pounds of boost. We've seen 558 horsepower, 531 torque. Again, that was low boost. Hoping to see 35 pounds on the next Dyno Run. In our quest for 700 horsepower to the wheels. Sneak in a little 300-400 shot of nitrous. Should see the numbers we want to see. Make that factory turbo record. A couple of the things we still want to do to the car before we're done. We have a full straight cut Liberty dog box. Put it in the case with powder coated wrinkle black. Got that Skittle Fabz stud kit. Really makes things easy to open it up and work on it. Cleans it up. We've been working on this one about 4 years. You know, life gets hectic. Things get thrown in the way. You push it to the corner of the room. Hopefully it won't be long. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe, follow. So the shave bay started out, you know, disassembling everything, stripping things off. I riveted in, we riveted in plates, sheet metal plates. Yeah. A little bit of Bondo, a little bit of sheet metal. Fortunate enough to have my old man do body work in his day. It really does take a team. You may build it yourself and think you did it yourself, but you didn't. Remember to check me out, 509 Firecracker on Instagram. All the information on the build, how we go, updates.